Hey.
Hi.
Sarah and I have not done a video for a long time, so we thought we would do one. How have you been doing lately?
Better than what you would think. For obvious
You should
reasons.
give everybody an update.
An update? That would take a while.
A quick synopsis of your life as of right now.
Okay, Joe, the love of my life, joined the military, and he's away now in South Carolina, and he's been away for about 2 months. And I was living with him, and now he's not here, and it's crazy. Does that about sum it up?
Yes, that does. But yeah, I miss my Sarah very much.
I miss my Donnie.
Yay. So what do you want to talk about?
I don't know. Talk about cheese. Speaking of
Ew.
cheese, white cheddar popcorn.
I'm in here, I'm like, ew.
We're
Yeah.
stuffing our faces, feeding our fat.
We just got back from our long drive down here, and we're picking out, and it's amazing.
You need to shave.
I don't know. Oh, the light's too bright. Never mind. God.
We have to do another Sailor Moon type-esque thing.
Yes, we do. We need to do a mafia one, too. We need to do everything.
Oh, yeah. I'm thirsty.
Look at that big thing she's drinking. She likes the big.
Oh, totally. I think your roommate just walked in.
Oh yeah, it's alright.
Ew.
What? Oh my god! Sorry, Mary.
Oh, it's really warm in here now.
Sorry.
We're gonna choke on popcorn and die a horrendous death. Death.
You can't even say death.
No, I can't. I said deck. I grabbed a piece of popcorn.
Oh my god. Okay. What?
I don't know, I was gonna say we were odd.
Yeah. That's basically our state of mind tonight. We're stupid and dorky and...
Yep, maybe we'll do something like our Sailor Moon thing.
Yeah.
That would be interesting. We should.
I agree. I definitely...